Hi guys, I'm Jenna. I'm the project manager of the team Storytime. For the United Nations, we made a fairy tale book which involves some of the Millennium Goals of the United Nations. To get more people involved with the work that United Nations does, we used 5 platforms. The book itself is one platform. Next to that we have the poster, the commercial, the website and the Layer app, and worked out really good. As a project manager, my tasks were to oversee the process and of course to see if our products are meeting the expectations of our client.
That is totally fine.
Most of the things I did were making the planning, working with Scrum, making deadlines, everything that we need for the team to proceed. This was actually the first time I worked like a boss, a project manager. What I learned is that you really have to be up to date. You have to really know what is already done, what should be done and what's happening now, and involve every single person of the team.
Hi, I'm Junita. My task was to make the website. I'm a web designer and I made the blog. I didn't know a lot about HTML, so there was a good moment to practice with it. I learned a lot in HTML and I learned to work together and it worked out pretty great.
Hi, I'm Sibren. I was responsible for all the audio-visual aspects of our project. For example, was I the director and the cameraman, but also the editor of all the films we shot.
I learned a lot more about editing and filming, but also the directing part I never did before. Also working with a real client was a nice experience in my opinion. I love to do more projects like this in the future.
Mainly I do graphic design, but I was also overseeing everything visual in the whole project. The most important thing I learned during this project was working in a team. Teamwork is crucial for a big project like this. And the second thing was working with a real client. And I also went more in depth into programs like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere. I enjoy all the visual arts. I'm really interested in visual storytelling. So everything that is visual interests me, so I'd like to be a part of it.
My main function was being responsible for the compositing of the animation, but also the final retouch. Besides that, I was taking part in the script writing, also in the lighting of the commercial, and I was responsible for the audio. The main thing I learned was compositing in a 3D environment. Even though After Effects is not giving us a complete 3D environment, I succeeded in using it. The main reason why I decided to take those positions is because they are connected with my future career path.
Hi, I'm Stephanie and I was responsible for the basic character design on paper. I did the Layer app and I did the entire book for printing. Character design has been something I wanted to do forever, and the Layer app was something new that I could learn, and the book was something that I really liked to do myself. I learned to use the Layer app. It is completely new to me, and I really learned how to cooperate with people on the illustrations. Like, we all had to do the same thing, and I just did like a small part of it, and they were like a crucial part in the same project.
Hello, my name is Kai. I'm a graphic designer. I was responsible for the character design and the animation. I chose to animate because I had some previous experience with both animating and illustrating, and it's what I like to do, so I think it turned out pretty well. Working with a group, I've never done that before in such a way. There were a lot of tasks to divide. I've learned a lot from that as well, and of course I have a lot of fun with all the team members.